You are tuned into DJ Tommy G on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.
Coffee? Check. Shower? Check. The best morning show on the radio? Check. Start your mornings right.
Right here on 89.5 FM.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time, 11:14 in the morning. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Alright, sa Royal Duty Free, Royal na. Duty free pa. Alright, welcome you guys. Welcome. 895 Subic Bay Radio. And do check the time. It's now 11:15 in the morning. 11:15. Hey, only 97 days to go, huh? Before Christmas. Naku, mabilis na yan. 97 days to go. Time check brought to you by Royal Duty Free, of course. Don't forget, every Friday, Fresh Fridays. All right, meron silang special offer for you when you use your Royal Privilege card on Fridays, and whenever you purchase on the Fresh section. Ano ba yung mga nabibilang sa Fresh section? Alam nyo na yan. Fruits, vegetables, meats, poultry, even breads kasama dyan, you know, breads, fresh breads is what we call them, di ba? Pag fresh yung bread, syempre. Okay, so check it out. Double the points every Friday. Purchase on the Fresh section at Royal Duty Free stores, both Store 1 and Store 2. Always check their social media pages. Pati na rin yung official website, www.royalsubic.com, okay? Where the catalog is always posted. And 252-3258 for more inquiries, okay? And before we continue, shoutout muna. Oh, may nagpapabati. Greet na lang pala. May nagpapagreet. Oh, wag na tayong mambabati. Oh, tinigil na po namin yung pambabati. Greet na lang. LMJ Travel and Tours, nakikinig sila sa atin, ano? Ang LMJ Travel and Tours. Yan, nag-o-offer sila ng mga international and domestic ticketing, tour packages, pilgrimage and cruise packages, ticket rebooking and reconfirmation, travel insurance, apostille and documentation assistance, passporting, US passport renewal, visa assistance, processing, visa extension. Ayan, okay. Plus other offers pa. Ganito na lang. Marami to eh. Tsaka yung mga special offers nila, puntahan nyo yung Facebook page. Yan. Meron silang Facebook page, of course. LMJ. Hanapin nyo lang. LMJ. Okay? Louie, Michael, Jennifer. LMJ. Hinulaan ko lang yun. Travel and Tours. Yan. Sa Facebook. Look it up. Okay? Or look it up si Ate Leia. Leia Herminehildo Moico. Okay? Ayan. Hanapin nyo lang yung page na yun. Alright? And you will find it. Okay? Para sa inyong assistance. Ayan. LMJ Travel and Tours with the different services to choose from. Shout out sa, sabi ko nga, shout out sa mga nakikinig dun, di ba? Sila Sir Julius Haviliana, Ma'am Josefina Haviliana, Sir Ben, Ate Malu, and Ate Leia. Ayan, happy listening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for keeping us in the background. Yay! And of course, time for me to give you today's holidays and observances. As I mentioned, 97 days to go before Christmas, September 19. Ang bilis ng panahon. 9/19/2024. Here are today's holidays and observances, this time being brought to you by Wawas Jr. Wawas Subic Bay Freeport and Wawas Dinalupihan branch in Lincoln Heights Subdivision. Okay? So, if you want the best tasting flame-grilled quarter-pounder burgers, Wawas, think of Wawas Jr. Okay? Sa Subic Bay Freeport branch, if you want to call or text for increase or pa-deliver, pwede 0927-895-9714. Okay? Sa Dinalupihan branch naman, in Lincoln Heights Subdivision branch, 0927-950-8775. Okay? And speaking of Dinalupihan, whenever you're there, also check out Ma, I'm Hungry. This eateries, Taco Bataan and Ka Filipina. Naku, masasarap dyan. Try nyo po. Okay? So, give it a try when you're in Dinalupihan, Bataan. Or call or text na lang. Yan. May mga pages naman to, no? Kuya Marlo is on standby to take your orders. Okay? And on with today's holidays and observances. September 19 is International Talk Like a Pirate Day. You know, in the US and other Western countries, this celebration is a big thing, di ba? You know why? On pag International Talk Like a Pirate Day, most of the bars, mga hangout places, they offer that you come in wearing a pirate costume and talk like a pirate, and then you will be given special offers, special deals, special discounts, or sometimes free drinks for bars. Ganon. It's a big deal sa kanila in US and in other Western countries. Talk Like a Pirate Day. Alright? Parodic holiday ang tawag dito. Created by John Barr and Mark Summers of Albany, Oregon. There you go, in the US of A. Di ba? So, there you go. International Talk Like a Pirate Day. What else? International Day of Listening. Sometimes you have problems. Kahit na hindi pa nasosolve, somebody listen to you. Parang nasolve na rin ang feeling mo, no? Di ba? Yeah, okay? Ay, di ba? Lahat tayo nakaka-relate dyan eh. We sometimes go through different problems. Di ba? May problema ka. Wala kang kakampi. Pero you open up to somebody and he or she listens. Yun. I don't know what pronoun you use. He or she. Them, they, ze, ja, who, brr, shazam. Today is also September 19 is what's this? Pow Pow Day, as in the paw. P-A-W. Pag sinabing paw, yan yung kamay or feet ng ng animals. Hindi lang dogs, pati yung cats, paw din yung nasa kanila. Pati tiger, pati lion, yun, paw ang tawag doon. P-A-W, paw. Pow Pow. What else? Let me check. September 19 is also Ask the Atheist Day. You can ask me. I'm one. All right? So there you have it. Just some of today's holidays and observances. And for all of you birthday celebrants, famous people celebrating their birthdays today, find out.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Kobe Paras, basketball player, Gilas, Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang Gilas. Alam mo, yung mga naglalaro sa Gilas, Pilipinas, mga idol natin yan, no? Okay? Yung mga, syempre, the top stars, top players of the PBA. Sila yung mga usual players. And sometimes we add collegiate standouts din, no? The Gilas Pilipinas team. And eto nga, isa sa mga standout, of course, for Gilas Pilipinas, Kobe Paras. He's really, really good. Yeah, just like his father, si Kuya Benji Paras, no? Alright? Isa pang member ng Gilas Pilipinas regular on the roster is Junmar Pajardo. I don't know what's the fuss about. Parang may mga ano, no? He won, he's the 8-time MVP in the PBA. Wala namang problema dun eh, no? Pero, but issues? Ba't gagawin yung issue? He won the MVP for a reason. Anybody can win the MVP if you really play good, if you dominate, okay lang yan, walang problema. Di ba? Yung iba nagiging ginagawa pang issue, ang laki niya kasi, 7-footer. Ganun talaga. Anong gagawin natin? Alang disallow natin yung malaki, matangkad sa PBA. Di ba? Meron din namang 7-footer pa na ibang player na aside from him So, hindi niya kasalanan kung he's big and he's good, di ba? Hindi ka lang magiging MVP just because you're big. You have also to be good. You have to remember, Allen Iverson became the MVP in a team that didn't become a champion. During his season, during his kalakasan, si Allen Iverson, and he's among the littlest guy in the league. O ano naman masasabi niyo doon kung yun yung naging MVP, di ba? So, siguro nadamihan na masyado. 8-time na kasi kay Junmar. We have 3 leagues in the PBA a year. In a year, 3 liga yan Ganun talaga. Those are the possibilities, di ba? Di gawin yung one season per year lang. Parang NBA, di ba? Kaya lang, it's impossible for us to do that dahil hindi ganun katami yung teams, di ba? Right? Yan. I don't agree with people criticizing na naging 8-time MVP si He earned it. Di ba? Okay? Pag gusto maging MVP, you dominate. You become the top player. Ganun lang yun. It doesn't matter if you're 7-footer or not. Well, extra plus yung 7-footer. Ibabawal na? Di ba? Okay? So, stop whining. Next up, we have Jimmy Fallon. Happy birthday kay Jimmy Fallon. He is the host of... he is a Saturday Night Live alumni, and then he took over for Jay Leno as the host of The Tonight Show. Okay? He turns 50 today. 50 pa lang pala, no? Si Jimmy Fallon. Golden Boy! September 1974. Okay, and next up we have Erica Cash, or Erica Ash, I mean. She's an actress and comedian. She starred as Kevin Hart's on-screen wife in Real Husbands of Hollywood. Okay, she was also in Mad TV, The Big Gay Sketch Show, among others. Okay, and NBA player Trae Young. This dude is really, really good. He's good with the on the ball. He's point guard. He's the top player for his team. Yan yung mga nakakabilib, no? When the littlest guy became the top player for their team. Di ba? Imagine, pinakamaliit pero the top player. Di ba? Sa galing nila, sa skills. It's not about the height, it's about the skills. Skill set. Okay? He turns 26 today. Next up, we have pop singer Pia Mia, who became popular for the hit song Do It Again with Chris Brown and Tyga in 2015. Turns 28 today. Rachel Sinot, who is a TV actress, September 19, 1995. She appeared on the film Get Money, High Maintenance and Bromance. Okay, and she played the role of Daniel in the comedy Shiva Baby. Rachel Sinot was born September 19, 1995, turns 29 today. And movie actor Adam West, movie and TV actor, he passed away though in 2017. But he was born September 19, 1928. And he was Batman on ABC from 1966 to 1968. All right, the ABC's TV series Batman. Okay, and he also provided voices in various animated superhero series afterwards. Okay, after being, Batman. Okay. Next up, we have movie actor Jeremy Irons. September 19, 1948, turned 76 today. And lastly, Cass Elliot, the lead vocalist for the band The Mamas and Papas. They released the hit California Dreamin'. You guys remember that song from a long time ago? She's among the 32 Club. May 32 Club, you guys remember? Among them, yung mga sikat na singers who died at the age of 32. Among them, si Kurt Cobain, Amy Winehouse, among others. All right. So she was born September 19, 1941, and then passed away July 29, 1974. Again, at the age of 32. So there you have it, celebrities and the likes celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. September 19, birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-690-9501. Text greetings, shout outs, and whatever. Okay? For the meantime, here's one of today's birthday celebrants, Cass Elliot on lead vocals. The band Mamas and the Papas with the song California Dreamin'. 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.